Downsizing your home for retirement? What homeowners should know if you're approaching retirement? One of the biggest questions you may be asking is this: should I downsize my home? For many homeowners, downsizing isn't just about moving into a smaller home. It's about simplifying life, unlocking home equity, reducing maintenance, and preparing for the next chapter of retirement. I'm Paula Aragone with Aragone and Associates, and strategy is what we do. Whether you're planning years ahead or already retired, understanding how downsizing works is how it fits into your real estate and financial goals. That can help you make a confident decision. Let's walk through why so many retirees choose to downsize, what to consider before selling your home, and how to do it strategically. For decades, your home may have served in an important purpose like raising your family, hosting holidays, and building long-term wealth. But as retirement approaches, your lifestyle needs often change. One of the biggest reasons homeowners downsize is simply to reduce maintenance and expenses. Larger homes come with higher upkeep, repairs, property taxes that are higher, and utility cost. Moving into a smaller home or condominium can significantly reduce those ongoing costs. Downsizing can also mean less physical work. Maintaining a large yard, multiple floors, or aging infrastructure can become difficult over time. A smaller home or even a single-level property can make day-to-day living much easier. For many retirees, downsizing allows them to unlock the equity they've built over decades of home ownership, providing additional financial flexibility during retirement. That equity can help fund travel, healthcare, lifestyle upgrades, or even help children and grandchildren. Does downsizing always mean smaller? One of the biggest misconceptions about downsizing is that it simply means moving into a tiny home. In reality, many homeowners are right-sizing instead of downsizing. This means choosing a property that better fits their lifestyle today. That means a single-story home with fewer stairs, a luxury condo with amenities and security, a low-maintenance townhome, or relocating closer to family. For some retirees, downsizing even means moving into a luxury property with less square footage, but bigger quality finishes and better amenities. In other words, the goal isn't necessarily smaller. It's more efficient, comfortable living. At Aragone and Associates, we specialize in downsizing with distinction. Our downsizing program is catered to each client and their specific needs. Now, when is the right time to downsize? Timing is one of the most important decisions in retirement real estate planning. Many experts recommend starting the downsizing conversation several years before retirement, not after. Why? Because downsizing is both a financial decision and an emotional one. Your home likely holds decades of memories, belongings, and family history. Starting early gives you time to sort through possessions, evaluate doing an estate sale, and looking into different housing options. Understand the real estate market and plan your financial strategy. It also helps reduce the stress of making a rash decision. Step 1. Understand your home's value. Before making any decisions, it's important to know what your home current value is in today's market. Real estate values can fluctuate depending on location, inventory levels, and buyer demand. A professional real estate evaluation can help you determine your home's current market value, estimated sales proceeds, and potential equity available for retirement, and when it's the right time to go on market. This step is specifically important for homeowners who plan to use real estate as part of their retirement income strategy and inheritance planning. Step 2. Think about lifestyle first. When people begin downsizing, many focus first on square footage, but a better place to start is lifestyle. Ask yourself, do I want to live closer to family? Would I prefer a walkable community? Do I want access to restaurant, healthcare, or amenities? Would I prefer less maintenance or HOA managed properties? Retirement often brings greater flexibility in where you live. Many retirees take this opportunity to relocate to areas with better climate, lifestyle, or cost of living. Your next home should support how you want to live in the next 10 to 20 years, not just today. Step 3. Begin the decluttering process. One of the most challenging parts of downsizing is managing decades of belongings. The key is to start small. Experts recommend working one room at a time and creating simple categories like keep, donate, sell, or discard. Many retirees also choose to give meaningful heirlooms to family members, digitalize old photos and documents, sell valuable items they no longer need, or have an estate sale. This process can really feel overwhelming at first, but it's also an opportunity to simplify and prioritize what truly matters. Step 4. Understand the financial details. Selling a home involves several financial considerations that retirees should plan for. This may include real estate commission, closing cost, moving expenses, potential capital gain taxes. Even when downsizing, it's important to fully evaluate the cost involved and compare them to your current housing expenses. Working with both a real estate professional and financial advisor can help ensure that the move aligns with your broader retirement plan. Downsizing and legacy planning. For families, real estate is the largest asset in their estate. Downsizing can play an important role in inheritance and estate planning, especially for homeowners who want to simplify their estate for their heirs, reduce property management responsibilities, reallocate equity into investments or trust. Every family situation is different, but thoughtful planning can make the transition smoother for both you and your loved ones. Downsizing your home for retirement is about more than just moving. It's about designing a lifestyle that fits the next phase of your life. For some homeowners, that means a smaller home. For others, it means a better location, less maintenance, or unlocking home equity. The key is to approach the decision with careful planning, the right professional guidance, and enough time to make thoughtful choices. Because when done right, downsizing can lead to something many retirees value most: more freedom, more flexibility, and a home that truly supports the life you want to live next. Our Downsizing with Distinction program can help you with your specific needs while maximizing your value and minimizing your stress. I'm Paula Aragone, and I'll see you next time.